Hi, I'm Stuart from SOB Leadwork, so welcome to the next job. Let's go and have a look, see what it's all about. Okay, so here we are. We've got this little box to lead that's protruding out of the roof. I think it's something to do with there's a pipe that's going to be going through this or something, but this is my first time here, so I don't really know too much about it at the moment. The apron, as you can see, has already been done. That was done when the roof was slated. Some lovely slates on this one actually. They're Welsh. They're really thick, nice quality. I dread to think how much they cost each, but really nice slate. But they was quite hard to work with though, quite hard to cut probably. But anyway, so what we'll do, we'll get that bit of ply taken off the top there, get that plastic sheet off, get a ladder access up there, just pin it down on. We'll pin the batten down on that scaffold there just to support the bottom of the ladder from slipping. Should be able to get it okay. And then we'll have a look, see what's going on. Okay, so now we've got this plastic sheet stripped off, we can see what's going on with this. Right, so what we're going to do, we're going to give this a cover flashing out onto the slates with a bit of 300, probably 150 out, 150 up. We'll get some building paper on there, although I don't think they've supplied me with any. I did ask for building paper, but I think we might have to use roofing felt, which is not the best, but you can only work with what you've been given, so we've got that on this job. So then we'll get the cheeks on. I think we're going to probably split this into two panels, get this front cladded on as well, have a welt coming down this corner, yeah, and that's the pipe that's going to be going through. I did say to the builder, the best thing that I can probably do to this is just sort of like weld a collar all the way around, but they don't want that, unfortunately. So I think what they want me to do is literally just cut the lead tight to this circle. Then they've got like this rubber sleeve that they're going to put over it with I guess mastic, which is not great, but I can only advise and tell them how I would best weather it, and then at the end of the day they've got to go with what they want to do. So that's the road they're going to go down on that one, I think. So once we've leaded up to the top here, we're going to fix a timber edge in place to form a drip with a copper 25mm lower than that timber, and then we can get a lead bay on the top there. So let's get this on the way. Okay, this is two cover flashings in place now. So what we're going to do now is get some patination oil on that and just mark sort of like an inch up, get some clips on there, measure this cheek. We're just going to do this in one piece because it's so small. Just going to have a welt down that corner there. I've already taken my measurements from point to where it meets that inch mark and back there. So I've already made that, which is down there ready to get knocked up. So I'm going to knock that one up. We'll get these two cheeks in place, and then we'll have a look at this front detail. Okay, so that's those cheeks in place now, and that front's on as well. Just put a welt on that corner there. That's what I normally do with my dormers and stuff like that. So now that's in place, we've just got to fix a timber drip batten round, and then we can now copper strip to that 25mm lower than that timber, and then we can have a look at getting this bay on top. Okay, that's that drip batten fixed round now. Just paint that black, so from the underside, if you were to look up, it just looks like a shadowing. Just now some copper strip through there as well to get a continuous drip edge. So I'm just gonna get some underlay on there, and let's go get this top on. Okay, so that's that top on there now. It's gone on quite nicely actually. I extended some big ears on there just to make sure we got enough cover on this, because it's quite a shallow pitch, so I wanted to bring it out a little bit more than 150. So we've got 200 either side on that, and there's 300mm lap on the lead from the cover flashing. Yes, that's all done now. Turn that into the copper, so we'll get this all cleared off, get a coat of oil on there, and that'll be job done. Okay, and there she is, that's it, all oiled up. That's gone quite dark actually. Just managed to get it oiled before the rain comes in. So that's me done here now. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. You can check me out on Instagram at SAB Leadworks. And thanks for watching. Catch you in the next. Cheers.